The problem is energy, not time. Let's take a closer look at this issue and see what it really boils down to. A lot of people will tell you it comes down to time. They aren't in shape because they don't have time to be in shape. Is this accurate though? I would argue not, because if you're like most people, then you will have somehow still managed to watch an awful lot of TV series. Maybe you recently completed the latest season of Game of Thrones, and then there's simply the fact that you could wake up earlier. And there's the fact that, if we're being completely honest here, eating healthily doesn't take that long. In fact, it's very quick and easy to eat a salad, or to eat whatever you're going to eat tonight. The problem isn't that you don't have time to work out, it's that you don't have the energy or the inclination. And it's not that you don't have the time to cook, it's that you don't have the energy. Furthermore, you feel like you need a pick-me-up, something that can help you get yourself up and running again. And fish just doesn't cut it. Now, in this next section, we're going to take a look at the most simplistic and efficient way to lose weight. This is straightforward calorie tracking. We'll see why this can work and why it's just really simple maths. But I want you to keep this section in the back of your mind, because we're going to be coming back to it. You're going to see later on that your lifestyle makes it hard to cut calories, and that you need to have a rethink if you're going to win this war on your belly.